Hi, today I will show you how you can produce random data in Excel sheet using RANDBETWEEN formula. To get more video like this, you can subscribe the channel and you can press the bell icon to get the latest notification in your email. Thank you. Okay, so this is a random table. This is a table in which we want to fill the data of all the subjects of these students, right? If I will type manually, so it will be time taking, right? So what I can do here, I can type a formula called RANDBETWEEN. So equal RANDBETWEEN, and then it will ask for bottom and top values, right? So let's say it is an exam of 100 marks and the people have got from 40 from the bottom 40 to 95 at the top. So I should put here 40 comma 95, okay, and then I will close the bracket and I will press enter. Now when I will drag it, it will copy a random digits here, right? Now I can practice, like if you see, each and every cell have a different number, and we can practice here whatever the formula we are willing to practice. We can start our practice. So this is a function to generate random data in Excel sheet, which is called RANDBETWEEN. Thank you. If you are willing to learn Excel or advanced Excel, you can connect with me on the given number below. Thank you.